Hello kids, today we're going to tell you a fascinating story about the windmills of Holland. This story has been passed down for generations and has become one of the most popular legends in the Netherlands. Long ago, in a small village in Holland, there was a boy named Hans. Hans lived with his family in a small house near the edge of town. Hans loved to watch the windmills that dotted the landscape, spinning their giant sails in the breeze. One day, Hans asked his father about the windmills. His father told him that they were used to grind grain into flour and that they had been around for hundreds of years. Hans was fascinated by the windmills and spent all of his free time watching them. As Hans grew older, he became a skilled craftsman and decided to build his own windmill. He spent many long months designing and building his windmill, using only the best materials and techniques. When he was finished, he stood back and admired his creation. Hans' windmill was the most beautiful windmill in all of Holland. It was tall and elegant, with giant sails that turned in the wind. The windmill quickly became the talk of the town, and people came from far and wide to see it. But then one day, disaster struck. A fierce storm blew in from the sea, and the windmill was badly damaged. Hans was devastated. He had put all of his heart and soul into building the windmill, and now it was ruined. Hans didn't give up, though. He worked day and night to repair the windmill, and finally, after many long weeks, it was as good as new. In fact, it was even better than before. Hans had learned from his mistakes and had made the windmill stronger and more resilient. The windmill became a symbol of hope and perseverance for the people of Holland. Whenever they faced adversity, they looked to the windmill and were inspired by Hans' determination and hard work. And that, kids, is the legend of the windmills of Holland. Remember, no matter how tough things get, with hard work and determination, anything is possible. Thank you for listening, and we hope you enjoyed the story.